Hello everybody. Today I will be making some healthy pancakes, and I want to show you what I do when I have bananas that are too ripe. There's things that I do with the bananas when they're too ripe. I think I already uploaded the ripe bananas, what I do when I freeze them, and I first cover them with chocolate. Once they're frozen, then I take them out and cover them with chocolate. I believe I do have a video in my channel. I will leave it up in the corner for you to click on that video. And next I'm going to show you what I do. Okay, so here I have 1 cup of oatmeal. In it goes. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 cups, okay? Now what I'm going to do before I put anything wet, I'm going to blend this up. I'm going to blend it and make it into flour. And I give it a shake, so whatever did not blend will blend properly, evenly. So one more time, a few seconds. I just hit it so whatever's stuck on the top, I push it down, let it drop, even though still it gets stuck. So now we have our flour, oatmeal flour. If you like, you can use the same blender or just pour it in a bowl and do it by hand the rest. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon. As you see, this is a tablespoon, so I'm just putting half of it. Baking powder. And now I'm going to add, okay, what I'm going to do is transfer it to the bigger blender instead. That way I can just blend everything up. My tip for you is to add in the wet in the bottom, so that way it's easier for the blade to blend it faster. In goes the egg. If you don't want to use egg, just use water or almond milk, unflavored almond milk, whatever you like. Coconut milk. You make those pancakes taste nice. Now I'm going to add my ripe bananas. You see how lovely they are, nice and dark, so they're really sweet. So just peel these bananas up and just break them and just throw them in there. So I'm going to put 2 bananas. And now we can add our water or any milk of your choice. So I'm just going to add half a cup for now. Now I can add my flour that I blended up. Cover it and let's blend this baby up. You might need to put more liquid though. In the meantime, you can start heating up your pan. Here it is. I put the rest of the water, so 1 cup of water. There's still some stuck on there on the walls, so I tried to blend it, but apparently I did not see this side. And you just, with your spatula, just clean it down like that. And then just give it a mix. The batter is kind of not too thick and not too thin either. That's how it looks. Okay, so let's try and fry these up. And my pan should be hot, so I'm going to add some ghee. Every time I fry them, I'll be using ghee. Excuse my mess in my kitchen. My son was cooking breakfast for me, and yes, he left me a huge mess that you can see all the fingerprints and all the... I tried to wipe it off quickly. Make sure it's heated up properly, because if it's not hot enough, your pancakes will stick on the pan, especially if your pan is a non-stick pan. You have to make sure you heat up the pan. It has to be really, you can feel the heat, but it still needs a bit more. I should have turned it on as soon as I started putting in the stuff. Don't do like me. So this batter should be nice and sweet since the bananas were so super ripe. Like I said in other videos, I do little things like these to send for my husband and my son that go to work for lunch. For their first break, actually, not for lunch, actual lunch. For their actual lunch, I send food, homemade food. Not that this is not homemade, but well, you know what I'm trying to say, like rice and stuff like that. Food. These are like snacks for their small breaks. I will fast forward all the pancake process. That way the video is not way too long and I don't bore you all. Alright my friends, so here is the results. Yeah, the big one is not there yet. I got 12 plus the bigger one, which would have been 14. And 2 are missing, yes. One my little boy ate and my mother-in-law. And yes, so that's how easy it is. I hope you try it out. It's really simple, really easy. Let me know how you did it different, what you add different, because I even do this same recipe with ripe plantains. They have to really be really ripe, the plantains. The same way I do the same thing. Thank you so much for your support. Subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share the video, comment below, thumbs up, and thank you all for watching, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.